Hi everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here with an artistic studio creation design team share. ASC supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off all your normal price purchases. So, since it's springtime, I decided to do a Winter Roses album because that's just how I am. And this is a 6x8 by 3-inch spine album. Of course, using the Winter Roses collection. I started with two 12x12s, a patterns, and an A4 and a 6x6. I'm pretty sure that's it. It's the same as my Neverland album. And I have a tutorial coming for this weekend. I have to edit it. I still have an entire 12x12 left, which is the same as I had on the Neverland collection. So note to self, you do not have to buy two 12x12s. And note to anybody else who's doing this. And then as far as papers that I have left, I have quite a few bigger scraps, some 6x6 full sheets, and that's all. So I did utilize the paper well. But I did not use the 12x12. I have these skinny scraps left thanks to Chantel from the ASC design team. I will be doing quilted cards for those. And then I used a couple sheets of thicker cardstock accents. I used a red. I think I used probably 3 or 4 pages of that, 12x12, and a green. I think I had 3 pages of the green. I also used white and black 65-pound cardstock. I think I probably went through about 25 sheets of white cardstock and just a few of the black. So let's get started. So let's start by flip through. The first page has a diagonal pocket with a booklet, and I use black, red, green, white to accent. We could always put an image on here, like a fussy cut image, maybe some flowers. A small pocket, flat pocket with a popsicle tag in it. Left this plain. The flap. And then this really cool image here that kind of just pulls across. Now this one was originally over here, this side. This is the other side of this gate, but I wanted the bird on this side, so you open that up and you have that image there, and you can always cover that up or you can leave it. A large pocket with a tag in it. But this is one sheet. Flap. And there's that guy again. So if you like this one and you want to make it, I will be posting a tutorial soon. I just have to edit it. Okay, this belly band flap with another booklet in it. This one opens from vertically. And then I left some blank pages. Horizontal pocket. It's like a 3/4 page. Just some tags or mats in there, and then a double pocket on this side. A couple different mats in there. This image I wanted to leave whole. Of course you can put something right here and still leave the image, or you can just cover it all up. And then the inside pocket, or the inside attraction, the flat page on both sides. And you can always mat both sides, but I figured you could put photos or something. And then on the back of that we have this triple flap, and then this large diagonal, or this large vertical belly band with a booklet. a mat and a small booklet in it with this guy. I added this one because I wanted to use them. This is a double diagonal flap pocket thing. So there's your main space, your 2 diagonal pockets, and this booklet slides in there. And then this is just like an extra little booklet. Nope, it's just an extra tag that I had from the little cut apart sheet. And then there is this image. I wanted to use these images with the birds on it. This I think is 1 page. And then there we go. So you can use any paper collection you want with this. This one is a double tag pocket page. It's like half page, maybe a little less, a third. And then this one, this is actually originally a pocket page, so I don't show you how to do this little pocket, but I glued the pocket on upside down. So I just took and cut the pocket off and made it a flap, and then I made a new pocket over here. So I fixed it. You can't really tell that I did it. And then there's a big photo mat, and then a book or a flap page here. And then on the back we have a magnetic, leave the back, a magnetic waterfall. And I left the back plain, so you can add things and it didn't bulk up too much. And there we are. So I hope you enjoyed it. Stick around for the tutorial. It should be up pretty soon. Obviously, it's already filmed. So we'll see you next time. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy, asccraftsupplies.com. Use ScrappingPosh10 for 10% off your regular price purchases. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.